Good morning, students. We have completed reported speech, direct and indirect speech. We studied the rules. We also solved exercise from our course book as well as workbook. Here we are revising or we are practicing transformation of direct speech into indirect speech. Students, we are familiar with direct speech. Direct speech are the actual words or the exact words of the speaker. They are written after the comma and written in double inverted comma. Indirect speech, it is reported by someone else. The exact words of the speaker, they are written in the narrated form or in narrative form, that is indirect speech. When we transform direct speech into indirect speech, when reporting verb is in simple past tense, we have to follow three general rules. When reporting verb is in simple past tense and we have to transform direct speech into indirect speech, we have to follow three general rules. First general rule, that is change of tenses. Change of tenses. This change of tenses, whatever exact words of the speaker is there, whatever sentence is given in direct speech in double inverted comma, the change of that sentence we have to do. Simple present tense turns into simple past tense. Am is are they turn into was were they turn into had been. Simple past and present perfect tense turns into past perfect tense. It means have or has, they turn into had. Past perfect tense remains past perfect. May turns into might. Can turns into could. Must turn into had to. Will and shall, they turn into would. So that is the first general rule, change of tenses. Second, change of pronouns and possessive adjectives. These students we have to do as per the sentence. Change of pronouns and change of possessive adjectives, that we have to change as per the sentence. We cannot say that I turns into he or she, because I can turn into he or she. You can turn into I, he or she or they or we. So it's better that change of pronouns and possessive adjectives we can do as per the sentence. Third general rule, that is change of words showing time and place. These become that, these become those, here becomes there, now becomes then, yesterday becomes the previous day, today becomes that day, tomorrow becomes the next or the following day, next becomes following, last becomes previous. So these are the words showing time and place that we have to change. So three general rules we have to follow: change of tenses, change of pronouns and possessive adjectives, and change of words showing time and place. Sorry students. Now we are transforming 5 types of sentences into indirect speech. We have studied 4 types of sentences: assertive or declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamative. These 4 types of sentences we studied. And when we transform direct speech into indirect speech, there are possibilities that there are 5 types of sentences. These 5 types of sentences, in that interrogative sentence, it can be categorized in 2: yes/no questions and WH questions. And that is why we have to transform 5 types of sentences into indirect. These are assertive or declarative, yes/no question, WH question, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. How to transform each of them, that already I taught you, and even I explained through live class. you will be sent the theory of this direct and indirect speech. Follow the steps and rules properly to transform direct speech sentence into indirect speech.